In this video, we would like to introduce you a historic place in Nias Island which is potential place for tourist attractions. The name of this place is Hili Bawölösu. This place is located in Nias Island, Hiliduho district, Sisobahili village. From Gunung Sitoli town takes for about 40 minutes to Sisobahili village, and from Sisobahili village takes about 20 minutes until you arrive in Hili Bawölösu. Unfortunately, this source of information is very limited. Even traces of this place, both internet or social media, are not exist. So our team has observed and collected information about this place, or Hili Bawölösu.
Before Indonesia's independence, it was still the colonial period. Likewise, what happened on the island of Nias. Hili Bawölösu was a place for people in Sisobahili village. Previously, because of the height of this place, people took advantage of to take cover and fight the invaders by dropping stones from the top of the mountain.
This place is called Hili Bawölösu because the people here used to believe there was a stone mortar or lesukara, which was considered to have efficacy on the mountain. However, in the past, the stone mortar or lesukara has disappeared. Just people believe that it was lost on the mountain. Since then, this place is called Hili Bawölösu.
Menurut Bapak, apa saja yang menjadi potensi menurut Bapak atau menjadi daya tarik di tempat ini, di Hili Bawölösu ini?
Jadi kalau daya tariknya mungkinlah keindahan alamnya dulu, pemandangannya. Kalau kita buat pondok di sini ya mungkin masyarakat kepingin untuk hiburan-hiburan semasa lah begitu. Jadi mungkin mau tahu atau megenon daripada aneh guna kahogo pandai tebing mina bila pemerintahan pusat kementerian terkait ada ta syukuri hal dana bila penuhi.
Kalau waktu Hili Bawölösu, dulunya si batu apa ya pernah masuk di Amerika wadi mau di balu tu letih sudah.
Hili Bawölösu should be promoted because there are four potentials what it has. First, can be used as a place for historical place or research place because we can see cave of Hili Bawölösu, ancient graves and megalithic sites or gobe. The second one is a place to see beautiful scenery. The third one is a place for rock climbing. It hikes about 20 meters. And the last one is a place for camping activities or taking pictures. There are two weaknesses here. First, an adequate infrastructure, which is can use a vehicle to get there, no huts or shelter, and there is no place to sell soft drinks or snacks. The second one is unkempt place, which is lots of wild plants that disturb the view on the mountain. There are four ways to develop the Hili Bawölösu to be more popular and has potential. First of all, development of supporting facilities and infrastructure such as road access, transportation, and the hunt or shelter. The second one is build a place for selling food or drinks to improve economy for society. The third one is local guide training. And the last one is promotion that can explain all new brand image, for example, the history of Hili Bawölösu, megalithic sites or gobe, ancient graves, and rock climbing. So here, however, the government and society should be support each other to make the place to be more popular.